Welcome. In front of me is a RedMagic 10 Air, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So to get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with a device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, strand on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone right here. Grabbing your tool, push it in. You can see that the tray pops out, enough for you to be able to pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards. You can occupy both of the trays or just one. Make sure you just clip the card correctly in place. It should be laying completely flush on the tray, and when you insert it back into your device, it should start working right away. There we go. So this is the SIM card pin, and once confirmed, the card should be working now. So, with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.